will continue working on the headlight. It's been a long time, trust me. Of course, my hand was all numb, so my friend took the work over. And now I will change the light bulb. And now I have a very exciting news to make. I wanted to announce that... Hello guys! Guess what? I will continue working on my Suzuki. Are you surprised? I don't think so. What we did so far that I didn't film, we changed the front brake fluid, also bleeded it. We put the front wheel in and also the front fender. As you can see, it is all black matte. I don't know if I will want to put any stickers on it. I think I will just wait for all the fairings to be on the bike and then decide in the process. And what we will do for this video, we will continue working on the headlight. It's been a long time, trust me. I got the free and paste, also got the new LED lights because my old one is a bit yellow, so I don't want that. I think we will just start working, and I just hope that at the end of this video, this headlight will be all finished. So fingers crossed and enjoy watching. I will prepare the workspace now. And also I got the comment at my last video where I tried to polish it that I spent not enough time trying to sand it properly, so I will continue doing that, taking this 2000 and 1500 sandpaper and try to put a little bit more effort on it and then try to polish it. We started sanding it with 1500 and finished it with 2000. Of course, my hand was all numb, so my friend took the work over and helped me with it and spent quite a lot of time on it. And now it's time to polish it and see the result finally. Finally, the headlights cover is already finished. It's not perfect, but it's definitely better than it was before. What we used this spray and paste, and of course we had some other polishing products. They are quite cheap, but it worked great. And now I will change the light bulb, and then I will finally put the cover on this headlight. It already looks better. that's how it looked before, and that's the finished result. You can see a clear difference between those two. I'm very glad that I'm one step closer to finishing this project. I just hope that for the next video I will finally be able to complete this project, because next week I will receive all the plastics and put them all together. And now I have a very exciting news to make. I wanted to announce that this channel was finally monetized. So big thank you for every single one of you who watch my videos, who take their time and leave a comment. I appreciate every single one of you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And of course, big thank you for my teammates who support me every step of the way. And what's the best way to celebrate it properly? Of course, pop alcohol-free champagne. Woo! So thank you guys for watching my videos. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and tonight I'm drinking for you. Kisses. Bye.